vlog mo.
Saturday today and finally Dubai Creek Park Day. Pwede kang makarating dito using your car, the metro, bus, or kaya taxi. May entrance fee lang sa park pero 5 dirhams lang per head at open naman siya from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. during winters. Pero kapag ka summer, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. lang. Pagpasok pa lang namin dito sa Dubai Creek Park, ramdam mo agad yung calm, ang lawak, ang linis at sobrang family friendly. May mga nagpi-picnic, may naglalakad, may nagbabike. Parang buong city nag-meet dito to breathe. Ang sarap ng panahon ngayon, sunny pero cool. Hindi nakakapagod maglakad. Perfect talaga for outdoor day. Dubai weekends hit different talaga. People slow down, families come out, and everyone just wants to enjoy the day. Dubai Creek Park is one of the oldest and most loved parks here in Dubai. Located siya along Dubai Creek, kaya may tubig, may greenery at may fresh breeze na hindi mo inaasahan sa Dubai. Ang ganda ng contrast, modern city sa likod mo, tapos nature sa harap mo. December weather talaga ang pinaka-favorite ko dito. Cool breeze, hindi ka pawis agad. Hindi mo kailangan magmadali, walang pressure. Makikita mo talaga how people value time with family and friends dito. Super bagay dito for families. May playgrounds, open spaces at safe na paths for kids. Makikita mo yung mga bata tumatakbo lang, walang gadgets, pure play lang. And yes, may mga areas din na pet friendly. Marami ding nagdadala ng sariling food. May picnic mats, may kape, may kwentuhan. Ito yung tipo ng lugar na pwedeng tumambay ng ilang oras without realizing the time. Relax lang, walang agenda. Siyempre, favorite natin ang tumingin ng mga bulaklak at mag-picture-picture. Kung wala ka mang nadalang mga gamit, don't worry kasi dalawa yung nakita naming tindahan dito na kumpleto na sa mga gamit pang picnic. Ihanda lang ang bulsa dahil sa mga gastusin. Pero syempre, iba pa rin kung dala-dala mo na yung mga gamit mo. Dahil mas mura pa rin bumili sa labas. Habang naglalakad kami, ang sarap lang mag-observe. Boats passing by, reflection sa tubig, people smiling. Ang sarap ng amoy ng barbecue na ito.
Bawal maglagay na laki ng sound.
Simple moments pero sobrang grounding. This is one of those places na hindi kailangan ng bonggang activities. Presence lang, sapat na. Minsan, ito yung hinahanap natin when we travel or live abroad. Not luxury, not malls, but space to pause. Dubai Creek Park reminds you na kahit sa fast-paced city, may lugar pa rin para huminga. So this is our Saturday here in Dubai. Sunny, cool, simple, and meaningful. If you're visiting or living here, don't miss places like this because sometimes the best memories are made when you slow down. Before we end this video, gusto lang naming i-share kung bakit namin ginagawa at ibinabahagi ang mga ganitong moments. Hindi lang ito travel content, hindi lang ito pasyal. We are sharing these videos because we are a family who believes that Filipinos deserve opportunities abroad, not just to work, but to live well. From Europe and now here in Dubai, UAE, we've seen how life can open up when you're given the right guidance, the right pathway, and the right support. Through COB Corporation in Europe and Channel of Blessings here in Dubai, our mission is simple: to help Filipinos study, work, build businesses, and create a better future for their families, step by step, with integrity and heart. We share our journey because we want you to see that it's possible, na pwedeng mangarap, pwedeng magsimula, at pwedeng magtagumpay kahit malayo sa Pilipinas. If our story gives you hope, courage, or inspiration, then that's already a blessing for us. This is our journey, and maybe this could be the start of yours too.